Greetings, my friends. Welcome back to The Big Sweep, your ultimate source for home and lifestyle mastery. I'm Kelly, and today we're unlocking the closely guarded secrets of expert housekeepers. Get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with these time-tested tricks. Before we dive in, do me a solid and hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all our insightful content. Stick around till the end for an exclusive bonus trick that's a game changer. Let's start by emphasizing a principle that expert housekeepers swear by: preparation. Before you embark on your cleaning journey, assemble all your supplies in a well-organized caddy. This not only streamlines your process, but also prevents you from scrambling for that elusive cleaning spray mid-task. When you're cleaning any room, the first task should be to remove the clutter. Go around the room with a trash bag and collect any trash that may be laying around on the tables, shelves, or flooring. Next, use a basket or bin to collect items that belong in other rooms and deal with them later. Now, when it comes to surfaces, the pros always clean from top to bottom. This logical approach ensures that any dust or debris dislodged during the cleaning process won't settle on areas you've already meticulously cleaned. It's a small detail, but the impact is profound. Moving on to our next powerhouse tip: vinegar. The unsung hero of cleaning. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle, and voila! You've got a potent, all-purpose cleaner. Expert housekeepers love this concoction for its effectiveness, eco-friendliness, and budget-friendly nature. Be careful not to use it on natural stone or surfaces like quartz. The acidity may damage the surface. Always read the label carefully before using any cleaner to determine if it is right for your surface. And here's a pro tip within the pro tip: infuse your mixture with a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Not only does it enhance the cleaning experience, but it also leaves your home smelling refreshingly fantastic. Now, let's address the bane of every homeowner's existence: stubborn stains. Enter the magic eraser, the not-so-secret weapon in the arsenal of expert housekeepers. From scuff marks on walls to mysterious stains on various surfaces, the magic eraser can make them disappear with minimal effort. Keep a stash of these magic erasers in your cleaning kit, and you'll be prepared for any unexpected stain that comes your way. It's like having a cleaning superhero at your disposal. Here's a trick that expert housekeepers adore: harnessing the power of steam. Invest in a quality steam cleaner and watch as it effortlessly lifts dirt and grime from various surfaces. It's particularly effective for cleaning floors, grout, and even upholstery. The beauty of steam cleaning lies in its ability to sanitize without the need for harsh chemicals. Plus, it's a game changer for households with little ones or furry friends. Now, you've been patient, and it's time for the bonus trick: an insider secret that expert housekeepers swear by: the power of baking soda. This humble kitchen ingredient is a versatile cleaner, deodorizer, and stain remover all in one. From freshening up carpets to scrubbing away grime in the bathroom, baking soda is a household hero. And the best part? It's gentle on the environment and your budget. This has been a comprehensive guide to cleaning like an expert with tricks from the best housekeepers. Please share your comments and your favorite cleaning tricks in the section below this video. We'd love to hear from you. If you found these tips valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that notification bell. Click here for another video about baking soda tricks. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.